Okay guys, just a quick video on how to change the save battery in a Super Nintendo cartridge. The first thing you're going to need is a game bit. These are very cheap, they can be got almost eBay anywhere for very little. And here is your save battery. I'm going to use this just to put a little bit of pressure behind the battery just so it pops out. And then we just pull it through on the other side. And there's the old one removed. Be careful to take note when you're putting it back together. The negative side, which is coming from the bottom, goes in the top part of the cartridge. So when you're putting it back together, be careful that you put it back together correctly. The negative side of the battery goes in the top part of the cartridge. The positive side going on the bottom. And we just take a little bit of new solder. And that's it. Now we simply put the card back together.